Hello students, how are you? ¿Cómo están chicos? Les saluda Miss Jennifer. El día de hoy vamos a hacer un repaso usando el Students Book. Esta semana vamos a trabajar los temas como repaso, los temas que hemos desarrollado en clase. ¿Ok? Let's start with the class. This is the Students Book. The Students Book, page number 15. The Students Book, page number 15. In this page, we have to read first, leemos primero, and then we have to complete. Look, excuse me, is there a bus stop near here? Excuse me, is there a bus stop near here? This is a question, esta es una pregunta. Está preguntando si hay una estación de bus cerca. Okay, excuse me, is there a bus stop near here? Yes, there is. It's on. You have to write an answer. Tienes que escribir una respuesta. For example, yes, there is. It's on the next avenue, for example. Okay, it's on the next avenue. I'm going to correct next. Okay, for example, yes, there is. It's on the next avenue. Okay, another example is yes, there is. It's on the right. Okay, it's on the right. Next to the park. Next to the park. Okay? Next. Excuse me, is there a bus stop near here? Sorry, I don't know. This is a negative answer. Esta es una respuesta negativa. Le está preguntando si hay una estación cerca y la respuesta es sorry, I don't know. Lo siento, yo no sé. Okay? Maybe you can say yes, there is. Okay, yes, there is. It's next to the supermarket. For example, yes, there is. It's next to the supermarket. Okay? This is another answer, an affirmative answer. So, again, excuse me, is there a bus stop near here? Negative answer. Sorry, I don't know. Affirmative. Yes, there is. It's next to the supermarket. Okay, now look at the example here. This is a library and this is a police station. Listen, excuse me, is there a police station near here? Yes, there is. It's next to the library. One more time. Excuse me, is there a police station near here? Yes, there is. It's next to the library. Okay? Near here se refiere cerca. Cerca aquí. Okay? Continue. In page number 16, you have to read the text. We are going to talk about Peru. Peru is our country. Es nuestro país. Okay? Listen. My country is Peru. My country, mi país. My country is Peru. Its capital is Lima. Capital. Its capital is Lima. Its borders are Ecuador and Colombia to the north. Norte. Okay? Its borders are Ecuador and Colombia to the north. Chile to the south. Brazil to the east. And the Pacific Ocean to the west. Okay? I'm going to repeat again. Voy a repetir otra vez. Okay? My country is Peru. Its capital is Lima. Its borders are Ecuador and Colombia to the north, Chile to the south, Brazil to the east, and the Pacific Ocean to the west. Okay? In Spanish, mi país es Perú. My country is Peru. Its capital is Lima. Su capital es Lima. Its borders are Ecuador and Colombia to the north. Limita con Ecuador y Colombia por el norte, Chile to the south, por el sur con Chile, Brazil to the east, por el este con Brasil, and the Pacific Ocean to the west, y por el oeste con el Océano Pacífico. Okay? This is a country, Peru. Okay? Here we are going to read, only we are going to read. Acá solamente vamos a leer. En las clases, en la clase que vamos a tener el día miércoles on Wednesday, we are going to write about a different country, okay, a different country. En la siguiente clase vamos a hacer un texto, un pequeño texto sobre un país diferente, okay. So now we are going to continue. My country, mi país. In my country, you can find oceans, rivers, deserts, volcanoes, mountains, okay? In my country, you can find oceans, océanos, rivers, ríos, deserts, desiertos, volcanes, mountains, mountains. So here, let's read. There are a lot of mountains in Peru, and there is an ocean. It's the Pacific Ocean, okay? I'm going to repeat. There are a lot of mountains in Peru, and there is an ocean. It's the Pacific Ocean. Look, here we are going to use there are. Vamos a usar there are for plural, and remember, there is for singular, okay? Puedes escribir una oración como ejemplo, como un ejemplo extra. You can write an example, okay? Your own example. Continue. In page number 18, what do you think about the jungle? ¿Qué piensas sobre la selva? Look at the picture and read. Are there any trees on the jungle? Yes, there are. Affirmative answer. No, there aren't. Negative answer. Are there any trees on the jungle? Okay, this is a question. Esta es una pregunta. For example, I'm going to write my own question. Quiero escribir mi propia pregunta. Are there any rivers in the jungle? This is my question. Are there any rivers in the jungle? Okay. Affirmative answer. Yes, there are. Negative. No, there aren't. Okay. So now you have to write something about the jungle. Tienes que escribir algo sobre la selva. Okay. Here you are going to write. In this page, in page number 19, in this page, you have to write. You have to draw, sorry. You have to draw. Tienes que dibujar, okay? The jungle. Yes, you have to draw the jungle. So now, look. Remember. There is a mistake. Remember is with M. Remember. Okay? We're going to correct. Delete the letter N and write the letter M. Remember. This is singular. When it's singular, you have to use there is for affirmative, and with negative, there isn't. Okay? In singular, affirmative, there is, negative, there isn't. For example, there is a tree in the jungle. Negative, there isn't any building in the jungle. Okay? And when it's plural, you have to use there are. For affirmative, there are, and with negative, you have to use there aren't. Okay? There are trees in the jungle. There aren't any cars in the jungle. Okay? So here we have to write about the jungle. Tenemos que escribir algo sobre la selva. Este tema lo vamos a desarrollar en clase. Pero, I'm going to write some examples right now. Voy a escribir algunos ejemplos ahora. Okay? I love the jungle. I love the jungle. It's great. I love the jungle. Okay? I'm going to use there is and there are for affirmative and negative. Okay? There is a big river. There is a big river. Okay? A big river. River. Its name is the Amazon. The Amazon. the Amazon. Continue. Now, negative. There, let me take the period, okay. The Amazon, okay, the Amazon. I'm going to repeat. I love the jungle. There is a big river. Its name is the Amazon. Okay, this is an affirmative sentence. Now negative. There isn't what? There isn't any volcano. There isn't any volcano. Period. Continue. There are many trees in the jungle. Affirmative in plural. There are many trees in the jungle. Okay. There are, affirmative, there are many animals. There are many animals in the jungle too. Okay. But there aren't any deserts. Okay, so here we are going to use negative and affirmative using there is and there are. Okay, estamos usando there is y there are for affirmative or negative. I'm going to repeat. I love the jungle. There is a big river. Its name is the Amazon. There isn't any volcano. There are many trees in the jungle. There are many animals in the jungle, but there aren't any deserts. Okay, so this is my example. Esto es mi ejemplo. Okay, remember, you have to find your own information for the next class. Tienes que buscar tu propia información para la siguiente clase. Okay, find your own information about the jungle. Busca información sobre la selva. Okay, now we are going to continue in the next class. Okay, vamos a continuar en la siguiente clase. No olvides repasar las palabras y no olvides desarrollar las actividades en el Students Book. Okay, we're continuing with the next class. So, see you the next class, students. Bye-bye.